have not caught an octopus, we have gotten an octopus, and we're gonna cook it for the first time. Alright, so we are here in La Coruña, Spain, and we're making a local dish called Pulpo a la Gallina, which is Guyana, Galicia is a region here, and so the pulpo, the style of the region. And you can see here we've got ourselves we've got ourselves an octopus, and we're going to make it. It's a very simple recipe. You actually use paprika. We actually got a regional paprika, which is actually a spicy paprika. They also make one that is sweet. And then we have potatoes, salt, and some olive oil, and that's all it takes. So first thing we're going to do is actually take the octopus and dip it in water 3 times. So this is the first time. Here we go. Kind of dip it in there to get the tentacles nice and curly. You leave it in there for 10 seconds. Check out the tentacles. Notice how they just curl right up. Right? Put it in there and let it cook for another 30-45 minutes, we'll see. And with the potatoes and the rest of the paprika and the salt, and try it. Alright, so we have already finished boiling our octopus. Now we have peeled already some of these small potatoes, and we just have to slice them. Not so bad. Just keep on doing it. After you do this, the water's already boiling here to my right, and you're just going to throw them in there, and you are going to leave them in there probably for about 10 minutes or so. They're going to get nice and tender. Once they get tender, then you're able to take them out. Just going to let them sit in there for a while. In 10 minutes, we'll check back. So now that our potatoes are cooked, we remove them from the pot and just put them on the plate. Put a little extra olive oil on the base before I went ahead and spread the potatoes on top. I like it with more, some people like it with less. I'm just cutting into chunks. And then you just put it on the potato. So good. Alright. So I'm going to put some with a lot, some with a little bit, and then people can choose how they want to eat. So after you do that, just only 3 more steps. It's looking good. I don't know if the octopus is so happy, but we are. Alright, so now what you do is you sprinkle a little bit of salt. Some sea salt on it. Actually, yep, some sea salt. So good. Okay. Drizzle some olive oil. You don't have to sing as you do it, but it helps. And lastly, you can use some spicy. This is some spicy paprika. So this I actually brought from here, but you can use regular paprika as well. I bought it from the store in La Coruña, so I'm just going to put some in my hand and just sprinkle it. So not bad for the first time, so I'm going to go ahead and try one. It's really good. I want to put a little bit more salt in there, so I will, because I made it. So good. And a little olive oil, wouldn't hurt. This paprika is actually nice and spicy. I'm wondering if you mix some cayenne pepper with paprika, if you would get the similar flavor. How is the octopus?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah?
Delicious.
That's all you get. Cooking in the sea. Not so bad. La Coruña, Spain. Thank you.